Most people land in Kerala and rush straight to Munnar or Aleppo, but that's a big mistake because they skip the real gateway, Thiruvananthapuram, India's fastest growing destination in 2025. And honestly, we didn't expect this at all. In just 24 hours, we explored a powerful temple, a hidden luxury cafe, a massive mall, and a beach that feels completely different at night. This is something no one tells you. Welcome to the Kerala series of Pallavi Travel. We started our day with Sri Padmanabhaswamy Temple. Not just a temple, this is considered the richest temple in the world. But here is what no one tells you. No mobile phones allowed inside. And the dress code is strict. Big mistake people make here that is they come unprepared and waste their time. Traditional wear is mandatory. Inside it feels different. Powerful, peaceful, almost unreal. Even with thousands of people, it is completely silent. And yes, if you are a non-Hindu, you can only view it from the outside corridor. But honestly, just the architecture alone makes it worth the visit. However, we didn't stay too long because something even more unexpected was waiting for us. Now, if you search food in Thiruvananthapuram, you will find many places, but this one is different. Wait. This is Villa Maya, a 200-year-old mansion turned into a luxury cafe. From outside, you would never guess this exists. And honestly, this was the best part of our trip. We did not expect this at all. The ambience, the food, everything feels premium. This isn't just lunch, it's an experience. However, if you're on a budget trip, you can skip this and enjoy local food. But if you're on a honeymoon or visiting Kerala to truly enjoy your holiday, this cafe deserves one chance. A must-visit place for lunch or dinner if you are not on a budget trip. Now here is where everything changes from a 1,000-year-old temple to one of India's biggest malls. Lulu Mall Thiruvananthapuram. This isn't just a mall, it is one of the largest malls in India, spread across millions of square feet, built by the Lulu Group, which is known for creating some of the biggest shopping destinations in the world. And honestly, the scale hits you the moment you walk in. Massive ceilings, bright interiors, and brands from all over. It feels like completely different. From tradition to modern luxury in just a few hours. Massive, modern, and perfect to relax. If you're on a budget, the food court here is actually a great option. Affordable, variety, and good quality food. Big mistake people make here, they skip this thinking it's just a mall, but it's actually the perfect break from the heat. And we are heading to the final stop of our 24-hour journey. Kovalam Beach, the sky slowly turning orange, waves getting louder, and the vibe completely changing. Most people come here during the day, but this is something no one tells you. Come here at night. Less crowd, cool breeze, just waves and silence. The lighthouse glowing in the distance. And the sound of the ocean feels almost therapeutic. No rush, no noise, just peace. This is where you actually feel Kerala. Slow, calm, and deeply relaxing. Honestly, this was the perfect ending to our 24 hours in Trivandrum. Trivandrum is not just a stop. It is the perfect start to Kerala. Spend at least one night here, then continue your journey. And if you are planning a trip to Kerala and facing any difficulties, I will try to help in whatever way I can, whether it's itineraries or anything related to travel. I would be really happy. if I can solve even one of your problems. Thank you for watching. Stay connected. See you in the next frame from a different location.